I'm here with my 1964 unused Wallhung Universal Rundle toilet, and I'm gonna do a few flushes. It's never had water in it before, so I'm gonna turn that on. Kind of need two hands to do that, so hold on a second. Okay, now the water's on. When we get up to there, I'm gonna do a flush with no water in the bowl. I am so surprised that this thing isn't leaking really, really bad. I'll come back when it's filled. Okay, here we go. First flush ever in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Here's a flush from above. It's kind of tilted to the side, so you know the water line's a little distorted. I just realized that the water going into here is actually kind of warm, so I'm going to turn it down a little bit and we'll do one from kind of behind. I think this thing has better bowl wash than a Cadet does, even though the flushes are very similar. Here's one from the back end of the bowl. This should be interesting. You may have noticed how before the siphon started there wasn't much water coming out, and then all of a sudden the entire, exit hole of the bowl just filled up with water. I'll probably flush a washcloth or something. Give me a minute. It took me a while to find one, but I finally got a washcloth, so here we go. It's just a small one. Here's the washcloth again, but coming from the back of the toilet this time. Here's one final flush from above the bowl.